Hi guys, how's everything? Let's pick up where we left. So let's open pages 16, 17 and 18. Vocabulary. Right word and wrong word. First with exercise number 1, let's try to do it without using a dictionary by reading each one of these sentences with one of the verbs. For example, number 1, we have play and go. I want to play traveling next year. I want to go traveling next year. So we know that the correct sentence is I want to go traveling next year. And then once you have finished, you can use the dictionary to check if these sentences are correct. Adjectives and nouns that go together. In exercise number 2, you have to underline 2 nouns that go with each adjective. For example, number 1, important. You can say an important person, that's correct, or an important meeting, because the meaning of important is something that has a great significance, something that has a great influence. But you can't say an important prize. That will not be correct. And now try to repeat these words. Number 2, delicious, holiday, cake, meal. Number 3, high, price, mountain, man. Number 4, long, tree, journey, time. Number 5, heavy, bag, sunshine, rain. Number 6, busy, street, person, party. Prepositions. Exercise number 3 says you have to complete the sentences with the correct prepositions. To, from, at, about, of, on, in, with, and for. You can use this several times. And then you can check your answers using a dictionary if you want. Words with 2 meanings. What are the 2 meanings of date in these sentences? I met my husband on a blind date. Dates and raisins are good for you. And write 2 sentences that show 2 different meanings for the words in the chart. These are words that have several meanings. For example, left, kind, train, and mean. And once you've finished, listen to some example answers.
1.12 Words with 2 meanings. 1,
Turn left in the high street and my house is first on the right.
She left hurriedly to catch her train.
2,
What kind of computer games do you like playing?
How kind of you to bring me some flowers.
3,
I love travelling by train.
He's going to train for the marathon.
4,
What do you mean? I don't understand you.
He never even buys me a coffee. He's very mean.
Everyday English. In everyday situations, we use a lot of social expressions. Look at the photos and answer, what are the situations? Complete the conversation with the words below. And then you can listen and check. Try to practice this conversation.
1.13 Social expressions. A,
Hi, Eva. How are you?
Fine, thanks. How are you?
B,
Thank you so much.
My pleasure. It's no trouble at all.
C,
Can I help you?
No, thank you. I'm just looking.
D,
Excuse me, is that seat free?
No, sorry, I'm afraid it isn't.
Exercise number 3, we have to make more conversations with lines from A and B and answer which expressions are more formal. Pause this video, try to do it by yourself, and then you can listen and check.
1.14 Social expressions. 1,
Good morning.
Good morning. Lovely day again.
2,
See you tomorrow.
Yeah, about 9 in the coffee bar.
3,
How do you do?
How do you do? Pleased to meet you.
4,
Thank you very much indeed.
You're welcome. It's no trouble at all.
5,
I'm so sorry. I can't come tonight.
Never mind. Perhaps another time.
6,
Can you help me with this exercise?
Of course. What's the problem?
7,
Bye.
Bye. See you later.
8,
Bye. Have a good weekend.
Thanks. Same to you.
9,
Sorry I'm late.
It doesn't matter. You're here now.
10,
Cheers.
Cheers. Here's to your new job.
These are possible next lines in the conversations. You also have to match them with A and B in exercise number 3. And then you can listen and check.
1.15 Conversations. 1,
Good morning.
Good morning. Lovely day again.
Yes, it's really warm for the time of year.
2,
See you tomorrow.
Yeah, about 9 in the coffee bar.
Fine. 9 is good for me too.
3,
How do you do?
How do you do? Pleased to meet you.
Pleased to meet you too.
4,
Thank you very much indeed.
You're welcome. It's no trouble at all.
But it was so kind of you to pay.
5,
I'm so sorry. I can't come tonight.
Never mind. Perhaps another time.
I'm free tomorrow night. What about that?
6,
Can you help me with this exercise?
Of course. What's the problem?
I don't know what this word means.
7,
Bye.
Bye. See you later.
Yes, let's meet after class.
8,
Bye. Have a good weekend.
Thanks. Same to you.
Thanks. Are you doing anything special?
9,
Sorry I'm late.
It doesn't matter. You're here now.
Yeah, I missed the bus.
10,
Cheers.
Cheers. Here's to your new job.
Thanks. I'm really excited about it, but a bit nervous.
In exercise number 6, we're going to improvise a few conversations. I'm going to say something and you're going to have to continue it. Writing. Filling in forms. When do you fill in forms? Try to think about some examples. And then match the headings and questions. For example, number 1, first name goes with D. What's your first name? Number 3, follow these instructions and write about you. And then fill in this form, the Global School of English. Try to imagine that you're filling a form because you're applying for a student visa or something like that. You'll feel more motivated. Okay, we have finally finished. So we're going to continue next week. See you later.